Hello, everybody. Welcome to Law and Society. This is a quick update that Jack Smith and January 6 prosecutors have moved to ask the court for a protective order against Donald Trump because of Donald Trump's ongoing attacks on social media. So let's dive into it. If you're new, please like and subscribe and share. It helps me a lot. So I'm just going to read the proposal for protective order. The government's proposed order is consistent with other such orders commonly used in this district and is not overly restrictive. It allows defendant prompt and effective use of discovery materials in connection with his defense, including by showing discovery materials to witnesses who also agree to abide by the order's terms. All the proposed order seeks to prevent is improper dissemination or use of discovery materials, including to the public. Such a restriction is particularly important in this case because defendant has previously issued public statements on social media regarding witnesses, judges, attorneys, and other associated with legal matters pending against him. In recent days, regarding this case, the defendant has issued multiple posts, either specifically or by implication, including the following, which the defendant posted just hours ago. Donald Trump on Truth Social: "If you go after me, I'm coming after you." And the DOJ goes on: "If defendant were to begin issuing public posts using details or, for example, grand jury transcripts obtained in discovery here, it would have a harmful chilling effect on witnesses or adversely affect the fair administration of justice in this case." Finally, and importantly, the government's proposed protective order provides that either party can seek to modify the order at any time, meaning that the defendant is in a better position if he receives discovery under the proposed order's conditions rather than receiving no discovery while this motion is pending. If the court issues the government's proposed protective order forthwith, without awaiting a responsive brief, the defendant will be free to review the discovery that the government will promptly produce and can seek any modification of the order that he determines appropriate based on that review. And once in possession of the government's detailed, organized discovery inventory, the defendant will be in a better position to assess and justify whether to seek modification to the protective order at all. So this is just reading that. I'm just telling you, this is a quick update that Donald Trump's prosecutors who are prosecuting Donald Trump, they aren't joking around anymore. They are looking at Donald very carefully, pinpointedly, almost in a real-time basis, and they're going to the court and asking the court for a protective order. A protective order should have already been issued, but Donald Trump has gotten special treatment whether we accept it or not, because any other criminal defendant in this situation would be held in custody pending trial. He's a criminal defendant 3 times over in 4 months. So let's hope that the judiciary acts promptly and issues this protective order so Donald Trump's messages on social media are not going to harm or compromise the prosecution. With that said, take care. I'll talk to y'all soon.